This video will present why the universe is expanding, and it's based on the theory by Patrick G. Tardif about consciousness and its effect on the modification of space-time. The scientific paper written by Patrick G. Tardif can be found at one location. You can find it at vixa.org. First, let's explain why the universe is finite and not infinite. If you look at galaxies, they should be moving towards other galaxies due to the gravitational forces, but they are not. They are moving towards the edge of the universe and separating from other galaxies. Even if we account the initial Big Bang, something is missing that pushes the galaxy further away from each other. If the universe is finite, and it's increasing because new empty space is created at the edge of the universe, it will be evident that the galaxies move towards that new empty space in order to fill it. This follows the basic laws of thermodynamics. The consciousness field and link are responsible for the creation of empty space at the edge of the universe. The universe then expands. How it works is this. You initially need a living being with a conscious to apply a consciousness field towards the edge of the universe. A link can also be established between that living being and moving matter at great distance, and if that matter moves to the edge of the universe, it then forces the universe to increase, creating new empty space. If you look at all these CFL interactions from a higher level, you will see that the universe is not increasing uniformly. But why? Imagine that you are outside your home and you look at the sky. At that specific moment, you are generating a consciousness field towards the sky you are looking at. If you were at the edge of the universe, your consciousness field will then create new empty spaces in the area covered by your sight. Nothing happens under your feet, since our planet is blocking that field and your sight is not in that direction. For that reason, new empty space is created at the edge of the universe, although not evenly. Because the consciousness field is not going in all directions, it's theoretically possible that empty pockets of dark holes are left behind during the new space creation and expansion. Those dark holes have no space defined, do not have any matter in them, no information whatsoever, but are delimited by the existing surrounding space. Matter around them are not attracted by them, since there is no empty space created and there's no gravitational forces. But since a consciousness field link, CFL, can pass through it during that process, new empty space will then be created inside that dark hole. During that process, surrounding matter will then be attracted towards that empty space. Even though we're not at the edge of the universe, we can detect when matters shift direction, which then imply the detection of those dark holes.